welcome back to my channel, Calling Seed to Serendipity. Today is August 1st, 2022. I'd like to bring you this day in history. On August 1st, 1943, 177 B-24 bombers took off from an Allied base in Libya, bound for the oil-producing city of Ploiesti, Romania, nicknamed Hitler's gas station. The daring raid, known as Operation Tidal Wave, resulted in 5 men being awarded the Medal of Honor, 3 of them posthumously, but failed to strike the fatal blow that planners had intended. Operation Tidal Wave began ominously with an overloaded bomber crashing shortly after takeoff and another plunging into the Adriatic Sea. 167 of the original 177 bombers made it to Hitler's gas station, whose oil fields and refineries provided the Germans over 8.5 million tons of oil per year. Whereas most Allied bombings in World War II was carried out from high altitude, the bombers that raided Hitler's gas station flew exceptionally low in order to evade the Germans' radar. The bombers lost the element of surprise, however, when one group veered off on the wrong direction, forcing others to break radio silence in order to direct them back on course. This unplanned adjustment also led to the bombers approaching from the south, where the Nazis had concentrated their anti-aircraft batteries. The ensuing attack was dramatic, chaotic, and costly. The Allies suffered heavy casualties, and smoke from the explosions by the first wave of bombers made visibly difficult for subsequent waves. Survivors reported debris like branches and barbed wire hitting and even ending up on the inside of their planes. Lieutenant Colonel Addison Baker and Major John Gierstrad were awarded the Medal of Honor for their unsuccessful attempt to fly higher and allow the crew to bail of their badly damaged plane. Other pilot, Lieutenant Lloyd Herbert Hughes, also received a posthumous Medal of Honor for flying his critical damaged B-24 into its target. Colonel John Kane and Colonel Leon Johnson, who each led bombing groups that reached their targets, were the only 2 men who were awarded the Medal of Honor and survived the raid. Although the Allies estimated that the raid had reduced Hitler's gas station capacity by 40%, the damage was quickly repaired, and within months the refinery had outstripped their previous capacity. The region continued to serve as Hitler's gas station until the Soviet Union captured it in August of 1944. 310 airmen died, 108 were captured, and another 78 were interned in neighboring Turkey. 88 of the original 177 B-24s returned, most of them seriously damaged. Despite setting the record for the most medals of honor awarded to the airmen in a single mission, Operation Tidal Wave was never repeated. The Allies never again attempted a low-altitude assault against the German air defense. I want to thank you for watching this day in history, and if you would, would you please give my channel a thumbs up and comment down below? It really helps my channel. And if you haven't yet subscribed, would you think about subscribing today? It's free, it doesn't cost a thing. And would you please remember to smile, because I love you, but more importantly, God loves you. Bye, I'll see you in my next video.